In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an encrypted field in Salesforce. This is a great feature to ensure that sensitive information is kept safe and secure within your Salesforce platform. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open your Salesforce application. To do this, navigate to your preferred Salesforce instance. You can find your unique link. This will typically be something like orgfarm.lightning.force.com. Once on the home page, you will have access to all your Salesforce functionalities. Now that you're on the home page, the next step is to locate the gear icon, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that gear icon. This icon opens up a drop-down menu with several options. In the drop-down menu, you will want to click on Open Advanced Setup. This action will take you to the part of Salesforce where you can manage more complex configurations, including objects and fields. Once you're in Advanced Setup, the next step is to navigate to the Object Manager. You might need to look around a little, but Objective Manager will be listed among the menu options. Click on it, and you'll see all of the objects available in your Salesforce environment. After accessing the Object Manager, you'll need to select an object for which you want to create the encrypted field. A common choice is the account object, but you may select any object that fits your needs. Once you click on the desired object, you will be taken to its details page. Now it's time to look at the fields associated with that object. Click on Fields and Relationships. This is where you will manage all fields and their properties for the selected object. Next, you'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on that button to start creating a new field. This is an exciting step because it's where you begin defining the specifics of your new encrypted field. When prompted for the type of field, select Text Encrypted. It's essential to choose this option so that the information stored in this field is secure. After you click on this option, you will then need to click on Next to continue. Now you will be asked to label your new field. Make sure to give it a clear and descriptive name, something that will help users understand its purpose. After labeling, click Next to proceed. One important aspect of creating fields is defining the length of the field. Make sure you choose a length that suits your data requirements. Once done, you'll move on by clicking the Next button again. The next step involves choosing a mask type. This mask type will determine how information is displayed when users are viewing it. Choose the one that meets your privacy requirements and provides clarity. A crucial aspect of the encrypted field is determining the mask character. This character is what will represent the encrypted data whenever someone looks at that field. Make your choice based on what suits your organization best. At this point, you will click on Next, again, to review the information you've entered. Ensure everything looks right before moving to the next step. Pay close attention to your field label, length, mask type, and mask character. You may need to click the Next button 2 more times to navigate through any additional settings and confirmations. It's just the process of affirming your choices and ensuring everything is set correctly. Finally, after hitting Next for the last time, you will reach a screen that allows you to save your new encrypted field. Once you're satisfied with all the details, click the Save button. Congratulations! You've successfully created an encrypted field in Salesforce. This will help keep sensitive information secure and maintain confidentiality. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you have questions or need further clarification about any steps, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. Remember to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Happy Salesforcing!